Hello students, welcome to online computer classes. Myself Dr. Kajal Rai. As we started a new course yesterday on theory of computation and we already studied about sets. If you want to go through it, I will provide you the link in the description below, and here we are going to discuss some operations on set, some basic operations which are very easy. First operation is the union operation. What is union? Suppose A has elements 1 and 2 and B has elements 3 and 4. Now A union B, which is denoted by U, is it contains all the elements from A and B. That is, it has 1, 2, 3 and 4. All these 4 elements are in union of A and B. It is just like the OR operation in gates or electronic circuit. If you don't know about it, leave it. Just remember that all the elements from both the sets contains in the union of sets. If A has some elements 1, 2 and 3 and B also has 1, 3 and 5, then A union B will contain 1, 2, 3 and 5. That means it contains both elements of both the sets but does not repeat the elements of the set. This is called a union of A and B. Now we'll come to the next operation of sets, which is intersection operation. Intersection operation. What is the intersection operation? Similarly, we take the example of A and B. 1, 2 and 3 are the elements of A and B contains 1, 3 and 5. Now, A intersection B is denoted by this symbol. Intersection is denoted by this symbol and it will contain the elements which are common in both the sets. For example, 1 is common in both the sets, so we will take 1. 3 is also common in both the sets, so we will take 3. So the intersection of A and B is 1 and 3. This is called the intersection operation. Our next operation is difference operation. What is difference operation? Difference operation contains, suppose A has the elements 1, 2, 3 and 5 and B has elements 1 and 4. Then A difference is denoted by the minus sign and A difference B will contain all the elements of A which does not belong in B. Okay, that means which are left out in B. 1 is common in both, so we will not take the 1. 2 is in A but not in B, so we will take 2. Now 3 is also in A but not in B, then we will take 3. 5 in A, 5 in not B, so 5. Remember that we will not take 4 because 4 is in B but not in A. So we will take only those elements of A which are not in B. So these are the elements 2, 3 and 5 is the difference of A minus B. Suppose now we have to calculate B minus A. Then we also do the same thing. 1 is common in both. We don't take 1. 4 is in B but 4 is not in A. So we will take 4. So here clearly we can say that A minus B does not equal to B minus A until and unless A equal to B. This is the condition. If and only if A equal to B, then only A minus B is equal to B minus A. Otherwise not. So this is the difference operation on sets. Now let's come to the Cartesian product, which is very important operation in the set. Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product? Cartesian product is denoted by A cross B and it is the set which contains ordered pairs. For example, it contains ordered pair A, B and like that A1, B1 and so more. where A belongs to, small a belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. This is a symbol of belongs, you already know about it. But if suppose A contains 1 and 2 and B contains 3 and 4. Now what will be the Cartesian product of A and B? It will contain the ordered pairs. For example, 1 3, 1 4, 2 3 and 2 4. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. And B cross A will contain different Cartesian products. For example, B cross A contains 3 1, 3 2, 4 1 and 4 2. And similarly, as in the case of difference, A cross B is not equal to B cross A until and unless A is equal to B. This is the condition for difference also and for Cartesian product also. So these are some of the common operations, set operations. In the next video, we will look about how are the various properties of sets. For example, we will study about the various laws of sets. There are many laws such as idempotent law, De Morgan's law, commutative law, associative law. We will study in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.